Hello, YouTube. I am Eli the Fatigued, streaming live on Twitch. As you can see, we are playing some more Cataclysm Dark Days Ahead. Been nearly 24 hours since I last played, and I accidentally rammed into the fence over here because I was passing out on stream. Oopsie daisies. Yes, there we go. And I was passing out on stream, so that was fun, wasn't it? Oopsie. Let's hope we don't have a repeat. Anyway, we're playing some more Cataclysm. And we're looking at the towers, radio towers. Wrong way. There we go. I should probably unmute myself. We're gonna go over to this one and then swing back up to the north and west and down to this one. Unless there's something interesting here, which it doesn't look like. Garage would be good. Pharmacy wouldn't be bad. I mean, hardware store also wouldn't be bad. We'd have to fight through all these zombies, which is tedious, honestly, but it might be worth it. There's a lot of stuff down there. There's a gun store, and the garage, also pretty good. You never know, there might be dinosaurs or something. Okay, the game is really loud. Oh, that's why. It's on 40. Let me turn it down on for you guys as well. Okay. Now it should be good. We'll turn down the sound effects. Alright. I'd like to find... Ooh, hello. Chestnut tree. I don't think they're harvestable until the fall. Could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's a thing. Yeah. They're not in the current season. They'll probably fall. Pretty sure that's a thing. When I was younger, we had a walnut tree and a palm tree. The palm, not the palm, well, palm tree, right? No, plum tree. There we go. The plum tree, actually two plum trees. One was on the side yard, one was in the front yard, and then our neighbor on the other side of that yard had a walnut tree that spread into our driveway and into their driveway, and just they got everywhere. They said just take as many walnuts as we want whenever we want. And my mom and I did. It was really cool. I think that's probably where I got my love for, you know, walnuts or shelled nuts. Oh, cashews. Oh my gosh, cashews. Great. What got me started on this? Oh, yeah, the chestnut tree. That's right. Yeah. Having those walnut trees when I was younger, that was really cool. I don't have a lot of memories of when I was younger. I don't have a lot of memories in general. My brain, unfortunately, does not seem to hold memories as well as other people do. Or maybe it does. I don't know, but my brain needs more triggering than other people seems to. Like, I can remember something super easy if someone says the right trigger word or whatever else, but I'm just trying to remember something or a time in my life, nearly impossible. But if someone says, "Hey, walnuts," "Hey, chestnuts," I just thought of that walnut tree. Yeah, that's how everyone's brain works. I don't know. I just have a terrible memory compared to like everyone I know. Man, all this ammo and using all this ammo is helping us get near crash. I better not be beating up my vehicle. Okay. Oh, hi. Using all this ammo is really training our skill up. What skill are we at now with rifles? Yeah, rifles 4 and marksmanship 4. Nice. Pretty sure all of that's just from shooting guns, which I'm happy with. Oh, frick. Was not paying attention there. Oh my gosh, that actually scared me. Okay, what happened? We're bleeding, we've been grabbed. So we drop the gun and hit the one that's faster. There we go. Chun is great. The only reason they actually hit me is because I was running into them repeatedly. How many times did I run into them? Once I was grabbed, throws off balance, I missed, so 3 times, and then they hit me like 5 times. Oh, a pair of glove liners damaged. Sad day. Oh, it appears I may have a bite or an infection or something. It's purple. Minor bleeding, bite, yep. Nasty bite wound. Alright. Wield W. Not W anymore because it's not in my inventory. You use antiseptic as soon as possible. And stop bleeding as well. Piece of bandage. That must be my left leg that's bleeding. Oh yeah, because it was purple, blue, and red, I guess? So purple. Cool. Hemostatic powder. Oh, I guess I can't use that. I gotta look at what that does then. Oops. Actually, I think hemostatic powder stops bleeding? Question mark? I think that's what that's used for. I'm a huge military buff, so I should know this, but I don't. Hemostatic powder. Got a lot of hemostatic powder. Codeine, that might be good to take as well. Need a little bit of something. I know they're running at me. There we go. Antiseptic. Hey, there we go. Hi. Jerks. Probably should be a little bit more zoomed out than I was. Okay. Cucumber sandwich. Heck yeah. Oops. Motorcycle. Yeah, it looks like it can run. Holy heck, yeah, I can. Might keep that in mind. Oh hi, you're the one that's been making all the noise. Need to reload. I did not bring loose ammo with me, but I have the magazines, thankfully. Oh, he bled out. Oh, no, I didn't. Okay. Good. What do we got? Crappy cash card. Metal jack. Oh, I was like, what the heck? Why is my inventory like that? Probably nothing in here worth grabbing. But maybe a map. A map in here, that would be good. Yeah. Okay. What do we got? Another... Oh. We got another radio tower. An endpoint there. Something up here. Oh, the hot spring. Cool. And then something over here. Dirt road. That'll probably connect there. Then we can go back up here. This radio tower. Which is the original plan. Oh, great, a fungal tower. That's great. Okay, so now we have an idea of the roads, at least. Oh, here we go. Couple... Okay, so it's two towns that made into one slightly larger town. Gotcha. Cool. Okay, but first, we were going to go down to this town. There's the garage, the pharmacy, that's right, I was wanting to get into the pharmacy. I stopped by the restaurant pizza parlor. There's the gun store. What's that? Can't read. Abandoned drive-through. Oh, that's from that one mod that I removed, so it replaced everything with the abandoned drive-throughs. I remember. What's the big blue thing? Baseball field. Fishing pond. Interesting. Clothing store. And a pool. Oh, the pool is going to be a nightmare. So, bring lots of ammo is what you're saying. Gotcha. Might bring that motorcycle, actually. Let's keep our normal vehicle here. Oh, shoot. First things first, we gotta hit that garage for sure. It looks good. Alright. This vehicle will hang out here, grab anything useful like extra ammo. Ultimately, it's probably going to come down to the Wing Chun, though. You can bring all the ammo you want. Am I wearing... I am wearing the FN Scar, so... Bring the 7.62. No, you know what? We'll leave the Scar here unless... If I really need it, I'll come back for it. But I'm still wearing that shoulder strap that I crafted, but then I found an M4 that had one. Alright. Anything... Let's see, that's 9.9... 9 times 9 mil. 26 damage, 25. So we'll get the Beretta M9. Okay. Okay. So it's not a compatible magazine. Gotcha. I was just making sure. Ah, this one is though. Alright. Eat something. Just drop stuff off. Okay. Sloppy Joe, I like Sloppy Joes. Alright. That will hang out there. We'll go hit the town in this. Come on. Come on. Smoke. Smoke is bad. What are they fighting over there? Gosh, the game is so friggin' loud. Or are they fighting anything? Oh, they're not. What are they... Why did they have to stand up? Oh, those wolves coming after me. Struggles to its feet, climbs to its feet, what? Those wolves are coming after me, methinks. Yep, I called it. How those wolves give them a fight? That thing is, no one's watching this on Twitch right now. This is actually being really cool right now. Important thing is to make sure you know where you're going. And how long stuff will take. I don't know, that felt pretty cool and fun. C9, eh? Is there anything actually good? Tiger counter. No. It's not worth pulping all those corpses, because I'm not going to be here long enough for it to matter. Because we're hitting this town, then moving on to the next. I don't know what we're going to do with this motorcycle, honestly. Really like it. Can always make one, but it's still really cool. Okay, that's a deluxe RV right there. As much as that it does make me feel cool and all, it's really quite tedious. What we might do hang out here. Where M4. Maybe wait till nighttime. Just a lot of bloody zombies. Alright. YouTube, that's the episode for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and or subscribe if you have enjoyed any dimension in this episode, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.